Hi, I'm Sunny Mudia. I'm currently working as a member of technical staff in Oracle Server Technologies.
What are the different stages that you went through during the recruitment process of your company?
So basically, there were three stages. The first stage was aptitude round, in which there were three sections: English, computer language section, where you have to choose which language you are comfortable with, C, Java, or C++. And the third section was data structure section, and the fourth one was general computer science concepts, where questions from operating system, compilers, database were asked. In after if you clear that round, then there were a mix of technical interviews, three or four depending on how you perform. So I gave three interviews, where mostly for the most part of the interview, data structures was the main focus. Data structures and operating system. I was asked about my area of interest. I told OS and data structures. So one question was in data structure section, most of the questions were based on linked list, trees, graphs, and in operating system you were asked paging and other concepts like semaphore and etc. Yeah, some standard concepts, and yeah, basically that's it for the. You have to mainly focus on operating system and system programming basically. So after these three rounds, the fourth round was HR round, where questions like why should we hire you, why do you want to join Oracle, were asked.
How is the recruitment process of your company different from others?
So I won't say it's different from other companies. It's like the other processes. It's like the other companies' process. There is one aptitude round, then there are two or three rounds, two or three technical rounds. Then there is HR round. The main focus in Oracle process is basically you have to be strong in your computer science concept. They don't focus that much on HR rounds as the other companies might do. So that's it. You have to be strong in your computer science skills.
What are the areas of strength in a candidate that your company looks at?
So if you want to get in Oracle, you have to be strong in your system programming concepts, which include your C programming, C++, or any other programming language. Uh, then operating system compilers concept. You have to have a good knowledge of operating system concepts like paging, then memory management. Uh, Apart from that, it's an added advantage if you have a good understanding of object-oriented concepts in programming language like Java, Perl, etc.
What is the number of offers that your company extended finally at your campus?
So from my college, six offers were made in server technologies.
What are the tips you would give an aspirant to ace the process of your company?
You have to be very good in your system programming concepts like C programming, data structures, operating system. So for data structures, you can refer Geeks for Geeks or Coleman. For operating system, you can refer Galvin. Now, apart from that, you have to have a very brief yet informative resume. Uh, yeah. Oracle mainly focuses on your projects and your area of interest, subjects you have studied in computer science which you like. If you are putting your projects in your resume, make sure to put only one or two lines about the project. Then you can explain the rest. But those two lines should be informative. Then in your area of interest, you should write the subjects which you are most comfortable with.